I'm gonna show you how to create Anki flashcards with ChatGPT. So to get started, you have to open chatgpt.com and then type in create Anki flashcards. And then from there, ChatGPT will guide you or and give you an example of a flashcard. So from there, just have to wait. And then from there, you just have to open your Excel file and then copy the front right here. Go to your Excel, and then from there in the first column you have to type in, then adjust it, and the second one is on the back. You have to copy this one and then you have to paste it here, and then from there you just have to save it as a CSV file right here. Make sure it's in comma delimited right there, and then once you click that, just click on save. And then after that, you have to go to your Anki application right there, and then from Anki application just have to go to file, then click on import, and then just locate your CSV file and then click on open. And once you're there, you just have to configure the settings of anything that you want. And if you're done with that, from the front and back, you just have to click on import, and that's it. That's how you create Anki flashcards using ChatGPT prompt.